For this exercise, we will use the following assumptions. Regular monthly contribution of 500 pesos. And then second one, compounding dividend. And for estimation purposes, gagamitin natin ang dividend rate na 6.76% per annum. This is the average MP2 dividend rate the past 5 years. And to simplify our calculations, gagawin nating fixed rate at 6.76% per annum. And then roll over the total contributions and dividends to new MP2 account every after 5 years. Then continue saving 500 pesos monthly. Pero pag sa Wiz Plus ka maghuhulog, pwedeng dire-diretso lang ang hulog until retirement. Kasi isa lang ang Wiz Plus account per member. Kaya lang hindi pa natin alam ang performance ng Wiz Plus. So sa Pag-ibig MP2 muna tayo mag-save. Okay, so let's go to my MP2 calculator. So ito ang MP2 dividend calculator na ginawa ko sa Excel. This is for 5-year end term compounding dividend. And then dito lang mag-input ng data sa yellow cells. To simplify our calculation, so mag-start tayo ng contribution sa January and then 2023. So napasok ko na yung monthly contribution na 500 pesos. Ang dividend rate na gagamitin natin ay 6.76%. Okay, sa pag-compute ng annual dividend for January, ang multiplier ay 12/12. So, makukuha ng buo yung 6.76%. And then, pagdating ng February ay nasa 11/12 na siya. So, pababa ng pababa. Okay, sa pinakamababa ay ang dividend sa December. Prorated kasi ang pag-compute ng dividend. After 1 year, ang total accumulated contributions na 6,000 plus total dividends na na-earn ay maki-carry forward to the following year. And then, this will also earn a dividend. So, itutuloy uli yung contribution na 500 pesos monthly. Ayan. So, same process lang din hanggang matapos ang 5 years. So after 5 years, yung 500 pesos na monthly contribution mo ay nasa 35,596 pesos and 98 centavos. So total accumulated contributions and dividend. So i-roll over mo ngayon yung total contribution and dividend na na-earn from the previous year. Since ang MP2 is 5 years lang, kailan mo siya i-roll over to a new account. And then mag-start ko uli mag-contribute ng 500 pesos monthly. So, ito na ang summary ng ginawa kong calculation sa 500 pesos na MP2 monthly contribution. So, as you can see dito sa chart, yung 500 pesos mo monthly after 5 years ay nasa 35,597 pesos. So, maliit pa lang siya. So, below 100,000 pesos pa lang siya. After 10 years, so nasa 84,966 pesos na siya. So, nag-more than double na ang total amount. And then, naging exponential na ang growth and umabot ng 1,167,397 pesos after 40 years. Pwede kayo mag-umpisa mag-invest for as low as 500 pesos sa Pag-ibig MP2. The earlier you start investing and the more frequent you invest, the greater the potential for your money to grow.